Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing a classic set on my client here. So I have my isolation tweezer, which is a curved tweezer. I got this isolation tweezer from gladlash.com. I've had it for years. I love this tweezer. It is actually it was my first tweezer that I used when I got my first certification in lashing. And then I'm using like a 90-degree angle tweezer. This tweezer, I actually sampled it from a vendor just in case I wanted to offer tweezers one day, and I actually fell in love with it and I use it every day. So as you guys can see here, and let me just zoom in for you guys, but as you guys can see, I am just isolating the lashes and I am placing the eyelash extension onto her natural lashes. You know, nothing too crazy, but her lashes, I decided to record this because her lashes were perfect to show in a video to you guys. And I'm like, I don't know why I haven't done these kinds of videos sooner, and just kind of really brought you into my world a little close up. But yeah, her lashes were super easy to isolate. She didn't have a whole bunch of lashes either. Some clients have a ton of lashes, some are kind of in between, and some have very few. But her lashes were super easy to isolate, as you can see, and they grow straight, so they're even easier to do. I do all types of lashes, so I get clients that have straight lashes like this client. I get clients that have curly lashes. I get clients that have lashes that grow crisscross and very curly. It really all depends on who sits in your chair, you know. But definitely get used to doing all types of lashes. And I wanted to show this because I have parts of here where I apply the lash and then I may have to take it off because the application isn't right, or the direction isn't right, or I did not adhere that extension close enough to the base, because you don't want it to be super far. You're not trying to glue it on the client's skin, but it needs to be 1 millimeter from the base, 1 to 2 millimeters. So you want to make sure, especially with a classic set, application is right, the base of the lash extension is glued on, and that direction is right. Because with a classic set, you're going to see it. I think you can hide a lot more in a hybrid set, or definitely a volume set, because it gets so much fuller. Classic, you're going to see the application, you're going to see the direction of the extensions, so your work has to be neat. Now, the one issue that I noticed with her eyes is that her eyes don't close all the way. And I know some people use a trick where they'll take a dime or a penny and they'll wrap it in tape and then tape it down on the client's lid. I should have done that here, but I honestly have never used that little trick before, so I was too nervous to do that, so I just didn't. Luckily, with this client, her eyes were not red after application. They were not irritated. I dried her for 5 minutes, and I used my nano mister as well, just to make sure all those fumes were completely gone from her eye area, and she was not irritated at all. But I really don't have a lot of clients like this where their eyes don't close all the way. Majority of my clients, their eyes are just closed shut. So that was the only thing I had to adjust with here. So as a lash artist, you're gonna get different situations no matter how long you've been lashing. So you could lash somebody that has a huge gap in their natural lashes and they want you to do lashes on them, and you may have to do I've seen people create a lash bridge and then lash on top of that. So you just never know what you are going to run into. But basically, I am just going to show you this one eye application, because basically where my my phone holder was, it could only really show nice up and close the right eye. I couldn't get the left eye for y'all, but I just wanted to show you guys how I isolate using my tweezers and just me doing a classic set. So enjoy watching the video. I'm gonna play some music and I'll catch y'all at the end. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.